Select Synchro. Schedule maintenance.
The machine predicts when we're calling a scheduled maintenance is necessary. So the machine will then slow down the conveyor speed to compensate for the one solder pod that's going to go offline, and the other 4 solder pods will pick up the slack. And when that solder pod travels to the back of the machine, we have a service trolley that we're calling a service cart that can either add solder to the solder pod. It can maintenance the solder nozzle by applying a tinning flux to it, just to make sure that the entire machine can continue running nonstop. That's really the end goal. So that all happens as quickly as possible. And then that pot can return back to production, and the system will automatically compensate with a chain speed to complete the process.
Synchro. Join the revolution. Non-stop selective soldering. Increase UPH. Reduce maintenance. Small footprint. Contact us today for more details.